Davey is a 7-year-old neutered male Siamese. Body condition score of 9 out of 9. Temp is 101.5, pulse is 160, and his respiratory rate is 32. His cough is described by his clinician as an episodic productive cough with orthopnea and intermittent swallows. His owner is convinced that he just has a case of airborne. His diagnosis after an extensive workup is feline asthma. Dr. Allman, you're on the clock.
What is he doing?
A cough off. They're mimicking sounds of coughs from their patients.
I didn't want to work anyway. This will work.
You're welcome to use the same hairball. I don't want sloppy seconds. Dr. Carter, you are on the clock.
That was definitely a winner.
All right. For our last case, we have a wild card. Our wild card case is Georgie. Georgie's a 12-year-old neutered male golden retriever. He's got a body condition score of 2 out of 9, temp 100.5, pulse rate is 140, respiratory rate of 40. Cough is described as a moist, productive, hacking cough with hemoptysis. His owner says he just sounds like he's got something in his throat and he's trying to clear it out. Unfortunately for Georgie, his diagnosis after an extensive workup was right atrial hemangiosarc with diffuse pulmonary metastases. Dr. Allman, you will be on the clock first.
Gave it all with that hairball, man. All right.
Nicely done, gentlemen. So, to wrap this up, we need to have a round of applause for both of our competitors. First of all. And by your applause, we want to find out from the crowd who we think is the winner. And best called for the first annual cough off. So by applause, please share appreciation for Dr. Todd Carter. And for Dr. David Allman. Softly close group, but I unfortunately have to call the winner of the first annual cough off, Dr. David Allman.
I was thinking about it.